Mustard is the second most used spice in the United States after peppercorns, and there are over 40 mustard varieties to try. Mustard is a versatile crop. Mustard grown for seed is usually allowed to bolt, but before it bolts, it can be grown as mustard greens. The greens are a cool weather, peppery, slightly bitter, cut and come again salad leaf that is rich in antioxidants and packed full of vitamins. It can also be grown as green manure or as a cover crop. It can be used to suppress weed growth, and rabbits love it. I grew mustard last year and allowed several stalks to bolt, flower, and then go to seed. Leaves and flowers vary in appearance depending on the species or variety. Leaf mustard can be deeply lobed, frilly, or oval in shape. It can be dark to light green, red, or purple in color. Mustard plants tend to have yellow flowers, but can sometimes be creamy white. Flowers are produced on tall stalks ranging from 1 to 3 feet in length. Long, thin, green seed pods, about an inch long, develop after flowering. They slowly turn light brown as they mature and ripen. Pods will burst when seeds are ready, making for a slightly invasive plant if left unmanaged. All parts of the mustard plant are edible. The leaves and flowers are used in salads and stir-fries, and the root can be roasted or boiled. The seeds can be used to flavor ferments, marinades, meat, vegetables, and fish dishes, as well as used to make iconic mustard sauces. The key to harvesting lots of good quality mustard is knowing exactly when to harvest and how to dry your seeds. You can harvest leaves for fresh eating regularly throughout the plant's early life, but when the weather starts to get too warm, the plant will bolt and start to grow mustard seeds. At that point, the leaves often become bitter and less palatable. Harvest seeds before they are fully ripe. Leave it too late, and the pods will burst and the seeds will fall to the ground to create a possible volunteer plant next year. Seed pods ripen from green to light brown, so watch closely and choose the right time to harvest. To harvest, simply cut the stems and tie them together in bunches. Hang them upside down to dry somewhere cool and well ventilated, making sure to tie a paper bag around the seed heads to catch seeds as they ripen and fall. I hung these in our airy shed over the winter. Once the pods are completely dry, it's time to shake out those seeds. Pods should feel crispy when rolled in your hands, releasing the seeds easily. Hold the bunches in a bag or over a large tub and thresh the seeds from the pods. Seeds may have little bits of chaff from the pods still attached. To remove this, slowly pour the seeds from one bowl to another in front of a fan, and the little bits will winnow away, leaving you with clean, dry, fresh seed. You may need to repeat this process a few times. You can store dried whole mustard seeds in an airtight container for up to 18 months. I personally like to go ahead and ground the mustard seeds to make the iconic mustard sauce. Then put it in the freeze dryer to preserve it for up to 30 years. We here at SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thank you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.